Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be unboxing my very first bracelet from Swarovski, and I think this is my very first purchase from them, and that's how the bag looks like. So it comes with a pretty tissue. You need to remove it and see what we got inside. The inside you can see there is a box and few receipts and a membership card, I think, or the care card. Yeah, it's a membership thing. And yeah, and here is the box, and that's the receipt. I'll put it aside. Now moving on to the box itself, you can see a Swarovski.com inside the bag. Very pretty bag. I'm gonna retain it, and here is the box. So for those of you who don't know what Swarovski is, basically they deal in crystal and they are really shiny crystals, and the bracelet I got is Crystal RHS Bangle. So I think that's the name of this bracelet. It's a stone bangle mini CRY RHS. I don't know what that means, but that's what is written here. And that's how the box looks like. So there is a box inside this box, so I'll be opening it up to show you guys. So that was really tough to get this box out of this box, and I ruined my nail in the process. So that's that. And here is the box. Pretty cardboard box. I really love it. And inside it, here is the bracelet which I got. So you can see how shiny and glittery it is. The girl at the store said that it's a rhodium finish with Swarovski crystals. So you can see it's very nicely packed. It's velvet and everything. And it comes with a tag. It says Swarovski and the name of the product. I'll put the link to this exact bracelet in the description box below so that you can check it out. But here is the up close view. It has 4 rows of Swarovski crystals, if you can see. And here you can see the markings and all, which shows that it's like original. And to open it up, you have to press here. So guys, that's the bracelet, and you can see I got it in size small. They have 3 sizes: small, medium, large. You can pick any, whatever you want. And that's how the bracelet look like, and it's really pretty. So that was all for this video guys. I'll catch you up in my next video. Till then, bye bye.